Hi traders, video 7 in the series How to Build Your Crypto Account. I'm just shorting Bitcoin paired with USDT. Now I'm doing this on a 5-minute chart off this signal. Some of the members have emailed me telling me that the 1-minute chart's too fast and they can't cover their broker fees, etc., with the tight TP. This can be traded on any time frame. So here we are on a 5-minute chart. We've got this signal. Building your crypto account. Here's the trade open. Account history, as you can see, we've built it from 10,000 up to 11,678. So we can have this position open down here and watch that down the bottom while we trade some of these others as well. So now what we can do is open this up. Let me just clear this. So we're trading this dot. Why do I like this trade? See how we've traded up to this high up here on the one hour? Let's just have a look at that. Okay, so big push up, big resistance level, double top. And it only makes sense to me that we get a bit of a pullback. It's overextended, all that kind of thing. So these are the sort of setups we look for. So now what we can do is we'll go down to the 1 minute. No, I'll stick to the 5 minute because I want everyone to see that you're not limited to a 1 minute chart. I only do that to demonstrate this. So what we'll do is see we're about $80 in profit here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close the position here. I'm going to take partial profits. Okay, so let's go 0.7. So there's our 70%. So we've just banked 70% of this position. All right, so we go into our paper trading demo account. I highly recommend you only trade a demo account. And it's up to you if you decide to trade on your live with live funds, but I want to do this on a demo and encourage that for obvious reasons. I don't want to be responsible for any decisions you make. Account history. Okay, so we've closed $56 here. So what we can do now with this is, I will go down to a 1 minute now and we'll open that up. So we've got $56 closed. What we'll do is set up a stop loss and we'll go 49400, set that up there. We entered under the dot here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull my stop loss here and I want to have a look at the dollar value. See how it's 29, it's more or less $30. Given that we are $56 in profit with this, if this is stop loss is set here at say 30, so the outcome is this is a profitable trade if the stop loss gets taken out now. So let's leave it up here and give it a little bit of breathing space. Now we can go back out to our 5 minute. What I want to do now is pull this out. I will keep an eye on it basically. So there's a nice setup. Oh, by the way, I did a members only video last night. Avoid signals on a trend, on a move like this. That's just asking for trouble. If you actually traded this, you would have taken 70%, but you might have missed it. So be careful. The best setups with these signals is when the market's trading sideways. For example, we're in this trading range here. Pull a parallel channel if you like. Where you see the markets giving you signals within the range, especially the top and the bottom of the range. There you go. Look, there's one down here. There's your trade. There's your trade. There's your trade. Avoid steep trends. Yes, you can make these profitable, but it's a lot more challenging. Right? But this is just siphoning money out of the markets, like into your account. This is so easy to trade this. Some of these are going to be incredibly profitable. If we move down to here, what are we looking at? Well, it's $200 there. If this travels further, obviously we increase our profitability. What makes sense? Well, we've got this trading range, and if you pull a fib, quite possibly we get something like, no promises, but look, there's my arrow right down into the 50 to the 618. That's generally a thing. If this is bullish, that makes a lot of sense. Can it roll over here and kind of smash through? Of course it can. My thing is, we've made, what is it, 20 bucks or 30 bucks, whatever it is, already out of this. So let's just risk this, still be in profit overall, and see if we get a little bit of distance out of it. So you can watch it, and I mean, this is a dynamic TP here. You can just move it wherever you want as you see fit. Here's the thing though, if we get something like this, if we get on whatever time frame we're on, 5 minute here, if this trades down and we get a red dot, okay, let's just say we took this trade, it's the same thing, right? We're in this, we've taken our 70% out, we're trading down, we've got 30% remaining, stop loss is still up here. We see that, we stay in it. Just let it run until the cloud closes, and that's the cloud closing. So if it's a red dot, we close on the first green triangle. Green dot, first red triangle. If you traded this up, well, you might be still in it. You know what I'm saying? Until the cloud closes. So this could be still an open trade. I mean, that could do that. Well, we don't know where it's going to go, but use the strategy. There's a set of rules that I trade by. It makes money. That's all there is to it. Jump on board with me, guys. Give this a shot, and you might surprise yourself. And I say that because if we go to my website over here, this absolutely applies. So no risk to you. This is limited time only, $19.95 per month. This is the package. Come 24th of December, that's over. And if you lock your subscription in now, however long you stay subscribed, that will be your monthly. So with that, have a great day, trade safe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.